A team keeps paying for frontier cloud services, even though 3 recurring jobs could already run on an open 27B model, but only if those jobs are scoped tightly enough. Qwen3.8-27B is a released openweights model from Qwen. The 27B variant is a dense vision language model. So it processes not only text, but also images and videos. Qwen describes stronger planning for agents, better processing of feedback from an environment, and adjustable reasoning depth. The first realistic team job is scoped code work, not this. Give the model access to everything and let it loose. Instead, narrow down a bug, add tests, explain a clear part of a repository, or prepare a patch. Qwen publishes results for this type of task on benchmarks such as Terminal Bench and SWE Bench Pro that indicates usable capabilities for coding agents. It does not prove that a patch in your project is correct, secure, or maintainable. That is why approval remains with the team. The second job is working with materials that are not just text, a diagram in a presentation, a screenshot from a tool, a technical document with tables, or a longer video. Qwen3.8-27B supports these inputs natively for teams. That can mean sorting material in advance, extracting content, and preparing questions for the actual expert review. The model may suggest connections, but it should not decide a legal, medical, or business-critical statement on its own. The third job is preparatory multi-step work. Structure information from multiple documents, collect open points, turn a work in progress into a clear handoff. Qwen reports its own results for longer office and agent tasks. That fits work where a useful first pass saves time, while a human remains accountable for priorities and consequences. The difference from frontier cloud services is not a blanket winner. An open 27B model can handle clearly bounded work when data control, self-hosting, or a predictable workflow matters more than maximum breadth. Once an agent receives extensive permissions, touches security risks, or makes decisions without review, a good benchmark score is not enough. The 3 jobs are therefore code drafting with review, multimodal document work, and preparatory multi-step work, no more. But no less, you can find the next matching video in the top right and click the bottom right to follow.